Friends, capsule number 24 is apportionment for joint cost and its method. Now, milk is used for making ice cream, paneer, and ghee, right? Now, when I make these three products simultaneously, there is this material milk cost income. Then the workers who work, they charge labor cost. Then there are other electricity expenses, other machinery which are used to make this. So there is this overheads cost income. So there is, joint process. These three products are jointly made in joint process, and there is joint cost incurred for these three products. And let's say it is 5 lakh. Okay, the total cost for making this three. Now I have got the total cost, right? But I'm going to sell these three products individually in the market. I need to know their cost individually. How will I get their cost individually? I have to divide this 5 lakhs between these three. And that is the reason why we have apportionment method. That is the reason why we need to apportion it to distribute the cost. How to distribute? Friends, in the syllabus, we have 6 methods. Once again, I am saying refer to that ICI study module video, which is made for joint and byproduct. All the sums are solved in that. Please watch it. Where I have solved the 6 methods. What are these 6 methods for apportion? Friends, you can apportion that 5 lakhs between the three products using physical quantity ratio. You can calculate average cost per unit and take the second method, average unit cost method. Or you can take the ratio of sales value at split off point. You can take the ratio of NRV, how it is computed, sales value after further processing minus further processing. You can use the method contribution margin method, where the variable joint cost is taken in the ratio of quantity and fixed joint cost is taken in the ratio of contribution. This combination you have in contribution margin method. And the last method is constant gross margin percentage method. This method says that apportion the joint cost in such a way that the gross margin percentage is same for all the product. This is just a mathematical setup, but this is one method in your syllabus. Okay, so these are the 6 methods which are used to apportion the joint cost. You must know these methods. You have to solve at least one sum of each of these methods, and do not forget to watch the video. Okay.